So what I want to talk to you about today is why there's this big wooden box. The purpose of this box is to act as an interior mule. This is a representation of what the inside dimensions will be. So what we've done now is constructed the walls. We've cut out some preliminary holes for where the windows could possibly go. We cut out the hole for where the side entry door will be. And we put in one of the barriers. The barrier you don't see right now is the one that'll go here that divides the bedroom from the kitchen. So we do this as a learning experience. So if we were to just go ahead and build the trailer based on engineering's input, we would end up with a very different product than if we build a mule and get some experience with packaging things. So then that way we can provide feedback to our engineering community that's doing all of the structure, the closures. So our engineers are working through that, and as they're working through it, we need to give them inputs about some of the interior things that can affect them. Our intent is to have zero wood in our trailer. The reason why we use wood for the mule is it allows greater flexibility. It's a low-cost way to get an idea as to how things fit and then package it in and really doing use cases off of this space. So when I say use cases, we're going to act as if we're out camping and we're doing certain things. I'm going to bed, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, I'm gonna cook something. How the experience would be like for the customer.
Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, you ready? Ready or not, we're going. And I can't stop, are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my,
One of the things that we're very frustrated with when we go camping is dealing with these small output stoves. Even in the RVs, they're terrible. You know, they're like 8,000 BTU, boil water in half an hour. The Camp Chef stove, what we like with it is that it's actually 20,000 BTU per burner. And so you can get things boiling in no time. Dometic, they're just high quality. We're going with a typical trailer type solution here. We'll be using this Dometic here, where you can have either side be a freezer. These will be put on a slide out where you can then slide it out. It'll have a counter surface on top as well. So it expands the area that you can put things while you're working around the kitchen. You can have just the stove slid out, just the sink slid out, or you can have them both slid out. Then underneath that will be another drawer. So you can have your cooking stuff in there. Don't want to tell too much just yet, but there's some really interesting things we're doing with the kitchen area, things that have never been done before in the RV and trailer industry so far. We have the door already cut out, and you can see by looking at this door, it is big. And we intended it to be big. It allows just easier access in and out. And you'll see here that we have a toilet in the background. That isn't going to be the height of the toilet, but we just wanted to see what it's going to look like in there. The toilet's going to be on a platform, about a 4-inch platform. We'll package stuff underneath it, and next to it's going to be the sink, and then we'll have a shower built into here as well. All-in-one bathroom. We're putting a lot of design effort into it, so it's not just going to be pieced together here. So as we're doing this, engineering is finishing up their design effort on the structures and closures, chassis, and then we'll be working in parallel, filling this up with all of the interior parts, and then we'll marry the two together. So thank you very much for listening. This is Travis King, RKS Off-Road, and have a great day.